Hi, my name's Tom Hilliard. My wife and I just had our basement finished, completed here about 3 weeks ago or so. We were fortunate enough to have local map construction come and do this work for us. All I can say is the entire experience was exceptional. It was tremendous. Professional from start to finish. Joe and Matt, very timely with respect to responding to our needs. The cost was right there where we expected it to be, but the most important thing is the finishes. Quality of work and craftsmanship that they oversaw through this entire project is outstanding. And if you could see this basement, you'd have to agree. We were just very fortunate that we picked the right company to do our project. If you're thinking about finishing your basement, this is a recommendation from me, Local Map Construction. Seriously, tremendous to work with. You won't be disappointed one bit.